so serious? And why so serious?
Hey guys, it's your girl Jasmine back on everybody's YouTube channel here with another wig review slash Halloween look. Yeah, so today we use the LACHAN wig. It is the Sensational Shear Muse collection. Y'all know this is an oldie but goodie. She's a classic wig because she literally comes in a bunch of colors. So like I said, the name is LACHAN and this color is Neon Forest, so it's this nice dark green color giving what it's supposed to give. Ear to ear lace with the baby hairs, but we just did slick black look. Forehead looking mighty big, but you can get the vibes. She's T-part, of course, just the middle part, but I tried to cover the middle part as best as I can. So yeah, but yeah, so this is like my take on the Joker look. I didn't paint my face white because I didn't want to look like Casper. So yeah, cause like who?
Oh wow, it was my mom's. Can I? Go ahead.
We're not looking like Casper anyway, but yeah, so this is how I try to achieve it. I didn't do the full-on tattoos because I didn't know how I was gonna look back on camera. Y'all not finna talk about me. We ain't finna go there. We just go skip. I did a little J. That's as far as it's gonna go, because if I was to write damage on my forehead, y'all would have thought my brain was damaged, so we're not even gonna go there. But so far I like it. I just feel like I could have did the install a little bit better because my forehead looking big. Y'all think I should have added baby hairs and just left this slip back? What y'all think? I like it. It's cool. But yeah, this hair is very soft, but I would say it shedded a lot. This is my first time. I've never tried this wig, even though this wig been out for a minute. I haven't tried it. No one talked about how much it shed. I don't know, maybe it's just a few, but this one shedded a lot. Granted, they are colored units, but dang, she's kind of long too. Not that long, but she's a decent like 20-some inches. It tangled a little bit, but nothing too crazy. I feel like it's manageable because it's straight hair. The hairline not bad. It could be plucked a little bit better, but you don't get that much lace, so I ain't tripping. And considering that I did it for this look purpose, no one's looking at your lace, let's be real. And if they are, tell them to back up. Like, come on now. But yeah, what y'all think about this Joker look? I feel like this was fun. Maybe we should do more looks like this. I didn't record the process. I'm so sorry. Did y'all want to see that? I don't know. Comment down below if y'all want to see that process. But I feel like the main focus is obviously the hair, and then like we just skip past the whole tutorial thing. You just see the hair because come on now, it goes perfect. Like this green match perfect. Most brands be having like an off green, or you can't really find a green, or there's a wig that's like half black half green. So this wig was perfect, and like I said, this comes in a bunch of other colors too, so why not try it? Yeah, this was fun. I don't really have nothing else to say. I like this. Maybe we can do more projects like these in the future. I don't know, comment something y'all want to see, or if y'all just want our channel to just be a little bit different, comment what y'all want to see for the future. And yeah, and if you want to purchase a wig, and if you haven't purchased a wig and you think about being the Joker, or if you just want a colorful wig for Halloween, make sure you click the link down below in the description box and give this video a big thumbs up. Why? Because we are different and we're the best. Come on now, you already know, period. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.